Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So my favorite phone right now obviously is this device right here, the Huawei Mate 20X, and I decided to go ahead and order the SopiGuard for it. So I paid 10 bucks for this, got it shipped out, and I'm gonna put it on in this video for you right here. I got the color shift. They call it flip-flop. They call it like this flip-flop psychedelic is what they call it. So I'm gonna clean it up, and this is a nice microfiber cloth. That's beautiful. Anyway, this is kind of gonna give it some more grip too, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this on right now in the video for you. It does require a blow dryer, so if you're considering getting one of these, most skins today require that you blow dry it to kind of heat it up, and this one is no exception. Curious about the fit myself, so I'm gonna try to line it up as best I can. That's a nice strong alcohol pad. Make sure you clean this surface as best you can. I don't plan on putting a tempered glass on this phone because I like to wear it without a case, but the screen itself looks like it can hold up with the screen protector that's on it. My OnePlus screen protector just looked bad, man. It got scratched up pretty fast. So this goes like this. And remember, I'm doing this behind the camera, so it's kind of tough if I'm off a little bit or it's a little crooked. Just, you know, bear with me. And that's the first part. You can see a nice little color shift already. Now let's go ahead and do this part here. Get it nice and clean. And trying to do this from behind the camera is a little tough at times, folks, so just bear with me here. And we'll go ahead and try to get it lined up. You do have to heat this up according to their instructions. And I'm probably not doing this completely how they would want me to do it, but so what? Get as close as I can to on here before I heat it up. And I went with this psychedelic color because my phone has kind of got like the light side edges on it. It's kind of already like a purple. So I think it's down a little far, so let's take it up. Right there. And let's see. You just kind of have to play with this and get it right the best you can. Check the sides real quick. Yeah, it looks like that's gonna be it, folks. So I'm gonna heat this up. Make sure I get all around the edges of this. And it goes down like this. And again, I want this psychedelic color because it color shifts from blue to green to purple. And my phone shifts from blue to purple to silver. So I felt like this would be a good touch for it. I was gonna go get like the basic carbon fiber. Wow, look at that. It's already, even before I heat it up, it's already looking good. It doesn't give it as much grip as I thought it was gonna be. It's a gloss back, and under that section it says kind of texture or whatever, but I like this, man. I think it gives the phone a little bit of flair. And I know when the light hits it in a bunch of different ways, it's going to look even better. But I don't need to heat it up while I'm on this video. Wow, I'm looking straight at it like this. It looks like it's green. I tilted it, it's blue. Yeah, I'm glad I went with this psychedelic. They call it flip psychedelic. Let's try the fingerprint to make sure. Yeah, fingerprint is in place, so everything's good. But there it is, folks, man. I bought this for 10 bucks. This isn't a sponsor video or anything. I just went on there and shout out to that person in the comments of the other video who told me about the SopiGuard for this device, because I had no idea that there was even one on there. And this is 3M 1080p series, 1080 series. So it'll stick real good once I heat it up too. It's actually sticking really good right now. And I don't know if in the video if you see this really shifting the colors a lot, but this is actually really cool right here. Really feeling it, really like it. And it kind of matches the fingerprint reader too a lot. I've seen some where the fingerprint reader is obviously a different color than the phone because it's got the phone is one color and they got like a bright skin or something like that. But I'm glad I got this. I like this. So there it is, folks. Psychedelic flip from SopiGuard. It ships really fast. It shipped like, I got it in about 3 days. As soon as I bought it, it shipped like a couple hours later. And depending on what your location is, you could get it within a 1 day or 2 days or so. So I'm really liking this. It'll protect the back and the color of my phone, just in case for some reason I decide to sell this, which I don't plan on doing that anytime soon. But this will protect your phone from scratches on the rear. And you know, that texture back that from the glass, it'll definitely protect it. Still considering getting a tempered glass, not yet though, because I feel like I don't really need it. But this phone is definitely my favorite right now. There you go. You can see a lot of color shift right there. Really sweet, depending on how you're hitting it. But it's your man Jay. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.